$10,000. Here, come over. $10,000 every single day. That's what I make, okay? Check this out. Look at this. So, yesterday, it's the morning. It's 7 a.m. right now. 7 in the morning. Yesterday, $11,000. Yesterday, $10,000. 2 days, $10,000. Last week, $20,000 a day. This is what I earn every single day from marketing online. And what I want to show you is how you can copy my exact methods to make money as well. Come over here. Now, what you must understand is there are 4 ways to get rich. There are 4 ways to get rich. You're not going to learn this in college. You're not going to learn this in your job. But the 4 ways to get rich: real estate, stocks, sales, and marketing. Okay? Well, a little lesson time, right? A little lesson time. Real estate takes a lot of money to become successful in. Takes a little bit of time, but it also takes some connections. If you don't have a lot of money to start with, if you can't sit down and drop $100,000 and hope to see a return 4 or 5 years down the line, you aren't going to become successful. Let's X that out. Stocks. Stocks take a lot of money. Again, if you want to make money with stocks, you got to start with a stack of, let's say, $10,000 to hopefully make a return of $1,000. So you're going to have to start with a lot to make money, and you also have to put in a lot of time, and you have to have some skills to do this. Very competitive. Let's look at the next thing. Sales. Sales doesn't cost any money. You don't have to start with any money to do sales. You just have to look good and speak good, and you can make some money, but you need a lot of time doing it. And you also need the ability to get up in the morning and go out and talk to people. You need to be in a major city where you can find rich people. You need to find the people who have money and go out there every day and do it. Not a lot of leverage, but you can do that if you want to be talking to people all day for the rest of your life. Now, marketing is a skill, and it takes very little money. Very little money. All the videos you're probably watching right now on YouTube didn't cost a lot of money to make. And they're up there for free. Nobody's paying for them. And time. It takes very little time because you do something. Unlike sales. In sales, you have to sell people over and over and over again every day. With marketing, you put up one ad, you put up one video, and it gets seen by 1 million people. 1 million people. So if you want to become successful, if you want to become rich, you need to learn marketing. Now, if you're interested in investing in yourself to learn a valuable skill, I have a 2-hour free training that I've prepared for you on this page right here. Okay? Click the link on this video and you will be taken to a free training that I've prepared for you out of the goodness of my heart for you to learn this valuable skill of marketing and learn how you can, in the next 24 hours, earn $1,000, earn your very first $1,000 with marketing just by literally copying what I've done, following a proven system to learn marketing just as I followed a proven system to learn marketing myself. Click the link on this page and sign up for the free training. You'll be taken to a page. You'll learn how I earn 6 figures on the side online. I don't actually work very much. I'm training to become a helicopter pilot for fun. It's just I want to fly helicopters, not for a job, just for recreation. And you will be taken to a form where you will register for the free online event. Spaces are limited. This ad will be discontinued once we fill up all the spaces, and there are limited students You will be asked if you want to become a student of mine. There are limited spots available for that if you want to take your life to the next level and actually learn from me as a mentor, and it's a lot of fun. Talk soon.